Royal Mail will be suspending the £5 fine for people who receive letters sent using fake stamps after the market was flooded with counterfeit stamps being manufactured in China. My name is Jack Reeves and welcome to this week's episode of Tax Tidbits, where Royal Mail has seized around 1.5 million fake stamps and have shut down numerous online sellers putting these fake stamps into circulation. You may remember we spoke about the production of these fake stamps in episode 36 and how people were receiving fines in their post. Well, they aim to move the fine onto the sender rather than the recipient, as they are responsible for acquiring the fake stamp. The fine will be reintroduced after the release of their new online scanner, which will allow you to authenticate stamps and will point out which stamps are fake. Royal Mail are encouraging customers to only buy stamps from reliable sources and avoid buying them online unless it's from the Royal Mail websites. The leading second-hand clothing marketplace Vinted has reported its first ever profit, showing the increased popularity of sustainable fashion. The company made a £20.4 million loss in 2022, but managed to get out of the red in 2023, making a £17.8 million profit. They have expanded across Europe in the last year and introduced new services such as their Vinted Go delivery and a platform to authenticate items. Additionally, Vinted and similar platforms like Depop have gained popularity among younger shoppers, driven by factors like the cost of living crisis and increasing environmental awareness in the fashion industry. Some self-employed taxpayers who made voluntary Class 2 national insurance contributions on their 2023 tax return may discover a gap in their NI record due to a processing error at HMRC, which would impact their qualifying contribution years and therefore their state pension. Although making payments on time, some taxpayers had their Class 2 payments rejected and refunded by HMRC due to them processing the payments late. If you had payments refunded, the ATT have recommended taxpayers to phone the NI Contributions Office for a resolution. Deputy Prime Minister Oliver Dowden has spoken out this week about the overpayment of carers allowance to claimants, saying that appropriate discretion should be made when asking for any overpayments to be returned. This comes in response to reports of carers being asked to repay significant amounts of money after unintentionally receiving excess carers allowance. Full-time carers can currently claim £81.90 per week, but they become ineligible for this if they earn over £150 per week. The DWP has faced criticism for not preventing these overpayments, despite receiving notification from HMRC when a claimant is earning over the threshold. Those faced with repayments will be offered repayment plans, as Mr. Dowden said it is the right on behalf of the taxpayer to be able to recuperate these overpayments. Accountancy firms have been facing a wave of agent account suspensions by HMRC, rendering them unable to carry out day-to-day tasks essential to their business. This has in some cases meant returns have been filed late, leading to penalties for the taxpayers. These suspensions are a result of unusual activity on the accounts, including unknown login attempts. HMRC's aim is to safeguard tax advisors and taxpayers against cyber threats, though there is a lengthy timescale on reactivation of these accounts, which makes you question what these accountants will do in the meantime. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Tax Tidbits, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We'll see you next week.